that's it. I think that's all. It's over.
Oh, try to get it to the mark.
Okay. Oh, dude, I was doing it this way. There he is.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, perfect.
All right.
Let me text. I'm texting my Evo buddies right now. Yeah, they loving it.
Step by step.
We're gonna go ahead and fasten it.
Alright.
We're gonna pull the turbo up to fit exactly onto it.
Yep. It's about to go.
But I think we also need to be able to lay the insert the return line into that little socket, that little spot before we do that.
No, you don't need to insert it.
Okay. I know it's a firm metal. I didn't know if I didn't.
Nah, it'll be all right. Once when we get this placed, it's basically gonna be like hovering over it.
What bolts?
I got 2 right here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think I want to loosen this a little bit and lift that line up so it ain't rubbing against the down. That, you see what I'm talking about? How it's rubbing up on it?
Right now I'm kind of slightly concerned about something.
What? It's not lining up?
Where's the hole at again?
Should be direct fit, bolt on the direct.
You're gonna be past it by like an inch.
Is that real?
Huh?
It's not real?
Nah. Cause when I did mine, I had an aftermarket.
It should be direct fit. There you go. That's it right there.
No. I'm talking about the line down here. It's not lining up.
That's not good. Let me see.
You have to finger feel it. You can't see it.
Well, the turbo is crooked. Should we jack up the car so I can go under and insert it in there and make sure it's fast?
I mean, well, we can go ahead and bolt the turbo, and then we'll just see if maybe we can. We'll go from there, cause this is a.
You're talking about the return, right? With that hard metal rod going down. It's not lining up.
Nah.
Well, the turbo is crooked as hell.
Yeah, I know. But I pulled it too right here. Cause right now. Okay. Yeah, it'll work. Okay. I just played with it. It'll work.
Woo, man, you're scaring me, man.
I'm just trying to be cautious. All right.
And what do we do? Lift it up?
All right, hold on.
You want to do the top ones? Like so.
All right, let me see the gasket.
Okay, why I do that?
Sorry for laying all over your car.
Come on me. Belongs to the bank.
Well, for now.
Yeah, for now.
Nah, the bolt's gotta go through top. Hold on, hold on.
Yeah, no, I was waiting for you. Waiting for it to be positioned. That's it. Oh, no, you're not it. You gotta pull the turbo back.
All right, hold on. All right, hold on, hold on. Come to the left side. So we got the turbo installed. Justin, could you tell us a little bit about what type of turbo it is?
It is a Turbo Parts Canada GT spec. It's a hybrid turbo fitting for the stock housing. Turbo for the Evo X. It's a hybrid for the GTX 3582R.
All right. So those of you with Evo 10s and getting inspired right now, that's the turbo. This is the tubular exhaust manifold. We just got the downpipe installed. What he is doing now is getting the gasket, the best way to match it up to start putting the bolts on. And what I'm about to do is start getting the intake and the pipe, hot pipe, put back together. But we're almost there, so just keep following us. Ooh, I need to go get a chair. My short status. They are or no?
Huh?
They are going on or no?
No, I said, yeah, this one now. I said, now I'm going on the car. So I can actually reach them.
All right, am I gonna be in your way?
Nope.
Okay.
I'm gonna be in there.
What's up?
Trying to make sure I got the gasket in. The gasket's in. I'm trying to make sure it's in the right hole.
Oh.
Yeah, it's hard to see. Is that usually this position?
Hold on. It looks like you got it in the right way. That's gonna be a 12.
Get the end the gasket.
Yeah, it always sucks when you're trying to.
I can't get in the gasket. What's this? I definitely top.
All right. Well, if you need to drop the car, I'll do it better. Get all this stuff out of the way.
Let's see, okay. Go do that.